Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get ETH in MetaMask. MetaMask is a widely used browser extension that serves as your gateway to the Ethereum blockchain and decentralized applications. Getting Ether, or ETH, into your MetaMask wallet is a fundamental step for anyone looking to interact with the decentralized web. We'll cover the essential methods, from purchasing ETH directly to transferring it from another source, ensuring you understand each part of the process clearly and confidently. Once your MetaMask wallet is set up, there are two primary ways to get ETH into it. First, you can purchase ETH directly through services integrated within MetaMask, often using a debit card or bank transfer. Second, you can transfer ETH from a cryptocurrency exchange where you've already bought it, or from another personal Ethereum wallet you own. Remember to always verify the wallet address you are sending funds to, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. With ETH in your MetaMask wallet, you're ready to explore the vast world of decentralized applications. To use your ETH, simply navigate to a D app and click the Connect Wallet button, selecting MetaMask. A pop-up will appear, asking for your approval to connect. When you initiate a transaction, like swapping tokens or buying an NFT, MetaMask will prompt you to confirm and display the associated gas fees, which are paid in ETH. Always review transaction details carefully before confirming. Protecting your MetaMask wallet is paramount. Your secret recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone and store it securely offline. Use a strong, unique password for your wallet and enable any available two-factor authentication. Always double-check URLs to avoid phishing sites, which mimic legitimate platforms. Remember, MetaMask support will never ask for your secret recovery phrase. Staying vigilant will help keep your digital assets safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.